Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Sid, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. Hello friends, welcome to House of Sid, where I make videos on coffee recipes, coffee reviews, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And I'm back today with a video on a coffee recipe. I know I did a little poll on my community tab, so if you are subscribed, you'll see my community tab and get all that fun info, the polls, coffee news, a bunch of good stuff. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We are going to do another giveaway for a Nespresso machine when we get to 5,000 subs. So the sooner we get there, the sooner we'll give it away. But anyways, in my poll, a lot of people said they wanted more coffee recipes. So today I have a quick little iced coffee recipe for you. In my last video, I did a little cafecito adventure on my road trip to Las Vegas. I did stop at a local coffee shop called Royal Coffee Roasting Company. Yeah, so make sure you go watch that video. I'll link it up here and down below. Just, you know, I like visiting the local coffee shops whenever I go to a new city or a new place. And they had this really good iced Mexican Mocha. That's what it was called. It was really, really good. It was just basically a mocha, you know, iced, and it had a little dash of cinnamon, and that's really what makes it Mexican. I don't know why, but that's what they call it, because Mexican chocolate usually does have a hint of cinnamon flavor, but it was really good. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to try recreating that at home. So I'm going to do that for you guys right now. Okay, so iced Mexican Mocha. I kind of already pre-brewed my coffee, and I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to use. I don't have my machine today. So like I said, I already pre-brewed it, but this is what you need. It's basically like a latte, iced mocha Mexican latte. We'll figure out the name later. So what you're gonna need is a coffee, of course, and I'm gonna be using the iced Leggero double espresso. So these are back in stock for the summer. If you want these for your iced coffees and your Nespresso, make sure to order them because they sold out and were gone from the website and the boutiques for a while. So make sure you order these if you want. If not, you could use any espresso. I'm using the, like I said, double espresso iced Leggero, which I already pre-brewed, and I actually put it in the freezer to chill because I didn't want it to get watered down with the ice. So that's ready to go. And I was going to use a pre-made chocolate syrup, just, you know, the syrup you buy at the store, like for ice cream or sundaes or stuff like that. But you know what, I was reading the ingredients and the calories and the carbs, and yeah, that's not too good. So I went online and I found a little quick recipe. You could make your own chocolate syrup, duh. Plus also you could just make one serving and not have to worry about it. And you guys, all you need is, which a lot of you probably already have at home, is baking cocoa powder. I had this for previous recipes. You know, it's whatever you use for baking. You just need some cocoa powder, sugar, and I just found this at Marshall's. It is a monk fruit sweetener, so it's supposed to be low carb, low glycemic, keto approved. So if you want to make your drink keto, you could use this. You don't have to use this sugar. You could use regular sugar, brown sugar, any sugar you like of your preference. So you need the sugar, and you're going to need some cinnamon, just a dash. And then you're going to need a little bit of milk, half and half, heavy whipping cream, your choice, or even just water. So basically what you're going to do, and I already pre-portioned it here, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, which I have in my cup already. You're going to need 2 teaspoons, or to your taste. You can make it less sweet, you can make it more sweet. I'm using 2 teaspoons of the monk fruit sweetener. Okay, so I already have that in here, my cup. And then I'm going to use about a tablespoon, give or take, of the half and half, just to make my sauce a little creamier. And you're gonna need a little handheld frother. This one is from IKEA. It's pretty small. I think I need to get a bigger one that's longer and bigger whisks, but this will do for now. So yeah, you're just gonna put cocoa powder, sugar, and a little dash of cinnamon in here, to your taste, and the half and half. You could use water too, to make your syrup. So all you're gonna do is put it in here and whisk it away. You could heat it up. Some recipes called for this heated up, but honestly, since it's gonna be an iced coffee, I didn't want it hot and then have to cool it down. So I'm just gonna use it this way. And it does take a little bit of mixing, so you could do this ahead of time. I'm just doing it to show you guys. I will try making it on the stove with the heat just to probably mix a little better, faster. But like I said, this is a one-time serving. I don't want to make a big batch of it. So, or the microwave, I probably could microwave it too. But it's hot. It's summertime. I don't want to microwave or be on the stove. Okay. So there it is. Let's taste it. Ooh, that's pretty good. So there's my chocolate syrup for my one serving. And I finally have new cold cups from Starbucks. Very cute. Okay, so I have my coffee has been brewed and chilled already. So I'm going to put and it's 2 shots of espresso in here. You can make it stronger if you like, if you want to add more shots. Okay, so I'm going to mix it a little bit with the coffee just to make sure it gets incorporated pretty good. Then I'm going to add my milk. And this is a cup of just 2% milk. You could add any milk you like. You could add more milk, less milk. You could even just make a regular coffee capsule, like 7-8 ounces, and use that. You don't have to use the espresso. Okay, I'm going to mix this up. Make sure I get all the milk and the chocolate in there. That's good. Now I'm going to put my ice. So it's already a little bit cold from the milk and the coffee being in the freezer, so we'll see. But that's it. Just milk, espresso, chocolate syrup with some cinnamon. You have an iced Mexican mocha. It's probably not going to taste the same as the one I had at that coffee shop in Vegas, but pretty close. I tested it out, and it was pretty yummy. Easy, too. I think it needs a little bit more sweetener. Like I said, you can make it as sweet as you like. So I'm going to put a little bit more sugar. I've never used this sugar, so I'm not really familiar with the sweetness, the strength of it. But yeah, that's it. Easy. Try this at home, or if you have another recipe to share with me, let me know. Okay, so that's it. Iced Mexican Mocha, copycat with my new Starbucks cup that changes colors. Cute. They might still be available in store. So you guys like these, go to Starbucks and check it out. Okay, let's taste it. Oh yeah, That's good. Definitely make your own chocolate syrup. If you have chocolate sauce or syrup already, you can use that, no problem. But like I said, the one I had was just a cheap one, and I didn't like the ingredients. It had a lot of sugars and carbs. I said, you know what? Let's make our own. So, cocoa powder, sugar, a little bit of milk. You could either heat it up or just mix it up really good. Your milk, your espresso, your ice, and there you go. Iced Mexican Mocha. You don't need to add the cinnamon. I like the little cinnamon flavor. You can just make it regular mocha and not add the cinnamon. But I like the cinnamon. Make it any way you like. Make it sweeter, not as sweet. Cinnamon, no cinnamon. That's the great thing about making these at home. You could customize it any way you want. So that's it. Quick and easy iced Mexican mocha recipe. If you haven't watched my video from my cafecito adventure in Vegas, go watch it and try this recipe at home. Let me know if you like it, if you tried it, if you have any other more ideas for the recipes, let me know. Summer is literally around the corner and it's starting to get hot. It was very hot in Vegas. Here, it's not as hot yet, but we do get pretty hot summer days here in California. So, perfect drink. And you know what is a good tip? To not water down your iced coffee. If you can, make your coffee or special shots ahead of time. Put them in the freezer, in the fridge, and just add the ice in instead of brewing it over the ice. Pro tip. Pro tip, not to have them water down. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Quick and easy, fairly easy. Iced Mexican mocha. You don't have to make it Mexican. You can just make it mocha. But it's pretty good. I really like the touch of the cinnamon. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up. Helps our videos grow. Share our videos, our recipes. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed so I can do that giveaway soon. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. I love reading your comments. And if you want to go follow me on Instagram as well, go and follow me there. Some of you already did. And I enjoy seeing your posts and I hope you enjoy seeing mine. That's it. Let's go enjoy our summer with some iced coffee, iced Mexican mocha. We'll see you guys next time. Enjoy your cafecito.